What you know about rolling down in the deep? Down in the deep. Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. About rolling. What you gonna do? Rolling. What you gonna do now?
Welcome back to Dog Pound Media. This is Coach Turk. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and leave me a comment about the Philadelphia Eagles. All right, 2026. We got a question. Philadelphia has a question. Coach Turk has a question. Can Jalen Hurts take them back to the Super Bowl? Let's talk about the Philadelphia Eagles. I think this team is being severely underestimated. And I'm starting with the most important player on the roster, and that is Jalen Hurts. Like Shador, I'm also a Jalen Hurts fan. He started out at Alabama, transferred to Oklahoma, 26-2 as a starter in college football. Took both programs to national championship games. They did win at Alabama. However, Oklahoma was not even in the game. They got blowed out by LSU, but that's neither here nor there. He's in my top 10 quarterbacks. Jalen Hurts, he's going to have to play top-tier football, continue to play top-tier football this season, for sure. Now, he's already proven that he can lead his team all the way to the biggest stage and win it. But 2026 is going to be a little bit different because A.J. Brown, a big body wide receiver, has been traded to the New England Patriots. And that leaves a huge question in the wide receiver room. DeVonta Smith is now the go-to guy. He's got speed, also from Alabama. He can produce without A.J. Brown. Philadelphia says he's the most productive receiver remaining on the roster, and he enters this season with 966 career high receiving yards in his rookie season without Brown, as evidence that he can handle being the focal point. But the bigger picture is this. Who replaces Brown? Now, Philadelphia has brought in Hollywood Brown, drafted Mekhi Lemon, and has a young receivers like Darius Cooper, Dontavian Wicks competing for major roles. Now, and Darius Cooper is one guy I'm watching closely, reportedly been one of those standout receivers during camp and is pushing himself into the conversation. But here's the thing. You don't just simply replace A.J. Brown. You have to replace him as a whole, his production as a group. All right, and that's where Jalen Hurts comes in. Becomes super, super key feature note here. He's going to have more targets. If DeVonta Smith is being doubled down on, then he's going to have to dish that ball. But they do have Saquon Barkley. So when the run opens up the pass opens up the run. So I'm predicting that they're going to go back and play in the Super Bowl. They still have Dallas Goedert. So you got that short down. You got the short yardage. The tight end's always a threat. You got Jalen Carlin anchoring the defensive line. Jordan Davis beside him. Nolan Smith, Kenyon Mitchell, and Cooper DeJean in the secondary. So the Eagles has a great defense. They've got a solid offense. I think they're going to go all the way again. Get down in the comments. Tell me what you think. Coach Turk is out of here. Fly, Eagles, fly.